What's going on, you guys? Welcome to Respawnables. So we are left on with 15 goals, 4,150 money. Anyways, let's carry on with missions. And we only got one mission, so we have to earn 2,500 points. So I don't think I'm gonna do that. Why don't I get the heavy machine gun? Yeah, that would be awesome. Really awesome. And the yellow guy and the shotgun guy were, I got landmines. Awesome. So I got 11. Not that bad. I can buy some more if I want. So wait, are you my console? What the hell? My console has a beard. Oh, how do you like that? Stupid idiot. Okay, if someone wait. Try walk past the mines, stupid. Try walk past the mines, stupid. Walk past the mines. Come on. I got a present for you. Is it? No. Oh, yes. Awesome. My landmines are better. They're powerful than my shotgun. Okay. At least, if I put... Hey. Can I put one towards here? Oh, crap. I did it in the wrong spot. I killed myself. Guys, I just killed myself. What the hell? I just walked into it. Maybe I should even go more close to them. Yeah. Come close to the mine. It's always him. Come on, can someone else go to my mines? What about you? Why don't you go to my mines? Oh, come on. Okay. Got this. He's on into my mines. Where's the mines? Where are the landmines? Oh, that was so close. He could have just gone near to it, then he's dead. Could someone else go to my landmines? Yep, you did. My counter went in my landmines. Hey, oh, screw you. He just killed me right away. Oh, okay, this is my chance to get you, landmine. Oh, come on! I'm gonna die. Oh gosh, time is running. Okay, it's delirious. Why don't I destroy this guy? Oh, come on! It's not fair, I don't want to die. I'm not gonna die yet. Yes! Awesome! Guys, I think it's difficult to get 2,500. I have no idea. How do we get there? Let's go to the... If I reach that one, that would be awesome. That's the same as... Whoa! There's 2 guns with revolvers. I'm gonna get that. I think you need to buy that. You need to buy it. Where's it coming from? Oh, it's coming from up there. Okay. Get out of here. I'm gonna put one... If someone come get... Yeah. I'm gonna put one landmine here. Yeah, come to my landmine, stupid. Okay, I'm out of here. Retreat. No, I'm out of here. This is like... Oh, it's that guy again. Awesome. If I at least get 1 gold, then I'll be proud. Yes! What did I get? Oh, wait, can I add some gold, please? Because that'll be so good if I add gold. Well, you slow. Too slow. Hey, touch my landmines. There! Oh, crap, it's near to me. Oh, crap. Come close to my mines. I don't want any small persons to come in my mines. Hey, would you... Oh, he has full health. I can get him, right? I don't think I can get him, because there's 2 buddies. No! Oh, great. Now he has full health. Okay. Is he hiding in the corner? Oh, crap, he is. Oh, crap. They're both killing me. Run away. I think they're after me. Yep, they're after me. Oh, hey, can I get a machine gun, sir? Because it's pretty awesome. close to my mines! That was so close going to his mines. My mines, actually. Yes! How do you like that? Oh, if I can add 10 gold, that'll be awesome. Wait, can I shoot this mine? Well, too late. Oh! Score Hunter. Yes. Okay. Oh my gosh. Time is running. I have to go. Hurry up. Kill someone. It's so hard. It's so hard to get to 2,500, dude. Seriously, man. Oh, I got that mission done. And I got 25, which is awesome. And then we can get the machine gun now. Yes. Yes. Okay. Whoa! That's insane, dude. Okay, let's play with our heavy machine gun. Hey, that's the one with my thumbnail. Oh no, I don't think this gun has a agility. This agility does. I don't think the weight of this gun. Look, I walk so slow, but it's still good. Hey, I have the same machine gun as you. Oh, this machine gun is so fast. Yes, you die, stupid idiot. Stupid idiot. Oh, hey. Hello there. Hello there, sir. Oh, I can kill you from there. Die! Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Wait, where's he coming from? Take my machine gun, stupid. Oh, crap, I'm reloading. No! You can't even have the same gun, though. Like, seriously? I got the same one as a Delirious. Wait, can I shoot far away? There. Yes! Oh! Double kill. That's what you get. Nobody killed. Oh, look how fast that I walk. I walk so slow. Well, you could kill me. Yes. Yes. I'm like a demo man. There we go. It's awesome to have this machine gun. Okay, it's you versus. So easy. How could everyone not kill me? Oh, come on. Guys, I think... Oh, no, I don't think I'm going to make it, though. Oh, machine gun guy. Oh, come on, machine gun guy. The shotgun guy is more harder than the machine gun guy because I don't know why. He has a shotgun, though, but... Oh, come on! Guys, I'm going to kill that shotgun guy. You know? Where's that shotgun guy? I'm going to have his revenge. Oh, hurry up, because there's no more time. Yes. Yes. Oh, come on. I did not make it at time. Because of the stupid shotgun guy. Okay, our next mission is run 100 meters without talking damage, not wearing the private pants. What? What do you mean? Okay. Anyways, let's change our body. Let's go to choose this one, and we have to choose our legs. What about these legs? Nope, they look weird. Okay, whatever, guys. Let's go. What do you mean by that? I think we need 100 meters. So I think the rocket will be 100 meters. Dude, those guns are amazing. And what the hell is that, man? I don't know what's on top of me, but seriously, that looks new. On top of me, that looks new. Whoa! Look at the top of you, it's so new. I think it's the new update. Guys, we have to win this, come on. Stop moving around! Oh, I got 100. Oh my gosh, how am I going to... It's so hard, man. Oh, there you are, you're down here. Hey, try walk into my lands, stupid. Oh, what? It is always the shotgun guy. Like, seriously, shotgun guy always killed me. Oh, my hunter, really? Heh. Shotgun guy. Heh. Shot person. Bad person. Heh. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Yes, I can actually make it, I guess. Oh. No. Oh, come on. That shotgun guy is really powerful, man. Like, seriously. I must get that powerful gun, which is the sniper. I don't think I'm good at aiming with snipers because they keep moving. But, hey, you can't get me. Way. I don't like shotgun guys around me because... Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, come on. Okay, that's it. You're using my mind now. Oh, come on. How did you... Oh, yes. This is what you get, shotgun guy. Oh, gosh, time is running. No. Don't get killed by the shotgun guy. I don't want to kill myself with that mine. Kill someone. Hurry up. Hurry. Hurry. Yes. 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 Awesome. Right, guys. Awesome. Okay, guys. I have to end this video, guys. If you want to see some more Respawnables, in the comments down below. See you in the next video. Bye. Bye.